Hi guys, Shelly Fitzgerald with Shelly Quilts. I'm going to be threading on my L890 today 2 of my loopers with this nice fuzzy thread. This one happens to be a maxi lock stretch. It's a nylon, but it could have been a Wonderfill Softlock, or maybe a YLI woolly nylon. These are great for the edges of your rolled hems, but I'm going to put it in my loopers for the edges for my overlock in my combination stitch for the inside of the boys' bathrobes, and I felt like this might be nice soft thread. I'm going to open the machine and I'll snap this into the upper tension just like normal. So it's going to be in the top. Make sure it's in there. And then let's come down here and get ready for threading. So the air threading nozzle is going to go to the left. That closed these pipes right here. I'm going to step on the foot pedal. And sure enough, I can hear the vacuum is on. So it's ready. Now this fuzzy thread usually doesn't want to vacuum through there. This one might, but I want to show you an example of if it will not. That's what we're showing you. So I'm going to take some of the thread off of my needle sewing spool. Just regular thread, or it could be a scrap off of any thread. And I've got the end of it right here, and I'm going to pull a really long length of that. And I've got the loop in this hand and the 2 ends in this hand. And I've got maybe 25, 30 inches of this by the time I've doubled it over. And I'm going to cut so that these 2 cut ends are nice and even right here. Now this looper, I'm going to put the cut ends here. They'll come out the looper, and the loop itself that I've made in this thread will stay right here. So I'm putting the 2 cut ends, and I'll just feed it through until I see it come out right here. And there it is. So now I've got this cradle that I just take the fuzzy thread and I have a nice long length of it, and I'm going to pull the fuzzy thread until it came out. You'll see right here the loop I made with the first thread grabbed the second one. And so now my fuzzy thread or my thick thread or my yarn or whatever I was doing was through my air threading loopers. So let's do that again for my second one. I'm just going to put the 2 cut ends. I'm using the same one again. There's a loop at one end. I'm just going to put it through this other looper that I'm threading. Hold on to the loop end. Feed it in until it shoots out. And so now I've got the 2 raw ends and the looper, and I'm ready to put my second fuzzy style thread through the loop. I'm going to make it long, and then I will just pull until it comes out. And so there I've got my fuzzy thread through 2 loopers. So that's what I wanted you to see today. Another time we'll talk about bypassing the air threading altogether. But today I was just doing that fuzzy nice thread. So this is Shelly Fitzgerald with Sew Shelly Quilts. Bye for now.